Hi, thank you for choosing our Targus P38 Air Pointer presenter. In the next few minutes, we'll give you some tips and tricks on how to best use your new purchase. Included in your box is the presenter, a wireless receiver, one AA battery, and a user guide. To start using it, we want to insert the battery. Set the operating system. Since we are demonstrating the presenter with a PC, we want to make sure the OS switch is set to PC. This presenter does not require software installation. The AMP38 allows you to connect via USB or Bluetooth. To connect via USB, select USB mode on your presenter and simply insert the USB receiver that came in the box. If your laptop or tablet has limited USB ports, you can choose to connect via Bluetooth. Switch the presenter connection to Bluetooth mode. Turn on Bluetooth on your laptop. You should see Targus P38 remote as a device option. Now let's check out the buttons. If you've used a presenter in the past, some of the functions on here should be familiar to you. Forward, backward, dark screen, start, exit slideshow, volume up and down. There are some buttons on here that are unique to this presenter: left mouse, right mouse, pen, erase, e-laser, on-off mouse. The left and right mouse button allow you to use the presenter in place of a mouse. For example, if I wanted to zoom into some of the text, I can right-click the mouse button and select Zoom with the left mouse button. If you would like to draw on the screen, make sure your presentation is in full screen mode. Click the on-air mouse button behind the presenter first, then click the pen function to draw. Easily erase what you need with one click of the erase button. The on-off mouse button acts as a reset button for the pen functionality and the virtual laser. Do not hold this button while presenting or clicking other functions. It may cause the cursor to do unintended things. The last and most important feature I'd like to point out is the e-laser. This laser is not a real laser, it's virtual. Unlike a red or green laser, this virtual laser can work on any monitor type. With real lasers, the presenter doesn't show up as well. Here, you can clearly see a red dot on the screen. If I was doing this presentation through a webinar like GoToMeeting or Skype, the remote audience would also see the virtual laser. I do want to note, this presenter is not designed to work across multiple monitors at the same time. Should you have a presentation that has multiple monitors, make sure to click the on-off air mouse button in the back when you switch monitors in order to reset where the laser starts. Since this AMP38 Air Pointer has more buttons than a regular presenter, it does take a minute or two to get used to. But once you get used to it, you can present like a pro. Thank you for choosing Targus, and we hope you enjoy your presenter.